South Asia is at the forefront of a financial revolution. The fintech industry in the region is experiencing an unprecedented boom, fueled by rapid digitization, increasing smartphone penetration, and a growing demand for decentralized financial solutions. In India alone, the fintech market is projected to grow from $106 billion in 2024 to nearly $770 billion by 2031. But what many people don't realize is that decentralized finance, DeFi, is not just a global movement, it is an opportunity that is taking shape in South Asia at an accelerated pace. India's Unified Payments Interface, EPI, has already transformed digital payments, handling transactions worth $18.41 trillion in January 2024 alone. But while centralized digital payment solutions have dominated the landscape, the next step in financial evolution is decentralization. South Asia has a massive, underserved population looking for financial inclusion, and DeFi could be the answer. Unlike traditional banking systems that rely on intermediaries, DeFi enables peer-to-peer financial interactions that are faster, cheaper, and more transparent. With blockchain-based solutions eliminating inefficiencies, the potential for growth in South Asia is monumental. Yet, despite this immense opportunity, South Asia lacks a strong DeFi presence. There are a few recognizable decentralized platforms catering specifically to the needs of the region. Startups are racing to secure their spot in this trillion-dollar revolution, but many are overlooking one critical aspect of success: branding. In a rapidly expanding industry, having a strong, memorable brand is what sets apart leaders from the competition. And that's where domain names come into play. Think about the biggest names in crypto and fintech: Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, Solana. What do they have in common? A strong brandable domain that positions them as leaders in the space. When people hear the name, they immediately associate it with innovation and credibility. Now, apply that same principle to the emerging South Asian DeFi sector. If you're building a decentralized financial platform targeting the South Asian market, you need a domain name that not only represents DeFi, but also connects with the region's identity. That's where domains like desidafi.com and desidao.com become incredibly valuable. The term Desi is deeply ingrained in South Asian culture, instantly resonating with millions of users. Pairing it with DeFi and DAO creates an unmistakable identity, one that signals trust, relatability, and industry relevance. Imagine launching a South Asia-focused DeFi lending platform, a crypto exchange, or even a decentralized governance model. Instead of struggling with a generic, forgettable domain, you'd have an instantly recognizable brand that speaks directly to your audience. The timing to secure such digital real estate has never been better. The fintech industry in South Asia is at an inflection point, with venture capitalists and institutional investors pouring billions into promising projects. Regulatory landscapes are evolving, and governments are becoming more open to blockchain-based financial solutions. If you look at domain history, the biggest brands of today, whether in fintech, AI, or e-commerce, secured their domains early, before the market caught up. Waiting too long to claim a strong DeFi domain in South Asia means missing out on an opportunity that could define the next generation of financial services in the region. It's not just about owning a domain name. It's about positioning yourself at the center of a growing industry. A well-branded domain like desidafi.com or desidao.com can attract investors, partners, and customers who instantly recognize its value. In an industry where reputation is everything, having a clear and powerful name is a competitive advantage that can accelerate growth. But the real question is, how long will these opportunities last? With the fintech and crypto space evolving at breakneck speed, brands and investors are snapping up premium domains at an increasing rate. We've seen the biggest DeFi platforms secure their brand identities early, ensuring they dominate the market as adoption grows. The question is no longer whether South Asia will embrace DeFi's happening. The question is, who will own the key brands that define this movement? For entrepreneurs, startups, and investors looking to be part of this revolution, now is the time to act. The future of South Asian DeFi will be shaped by those who take early action. Will you be one of them? Join the discussion. What do you think about the future of DeFi in South Asia? Do you see the region embracing decentralized finance at the same pace as other markets? Let us know in the comments, and if you're serious about positioning yourself in this growing space, explore how the right domain can set you apart.